Hello guys, as a DevOps engineer or Linux system administrator, you're always going to need to schedule some jobs that are going to run maybe on weekend time or on holidays time, or let's say just like you want to keep and save some time and schedule some job and just have them run anytime that you want them to run. So that's a little bit what we are going to talk about today. And for that, we have two options. We have add command and cron job option. But in today's videos, we're going to talk about add command, and on the next one, we're going to talk about cron job. So let's start with add command.
So let's jump on Linux server and run the wish add command. It's not existing, you see. So we need to install the add command. You're going to use the yum command in order to install it. Yum install add, and after that we're going to start it. We're going to start the daemon of add command by systemctl start add-d, and we're going to enable it by systemctl enable add-d. Right now we are good. We're going to vim inside my script add.sh, and you can see we have a shebang log file equal to job.log and echo the script one at the following time, social date, and we happen in log file. So we're going to run this script quickly, and after that we're going to list the content of our directory. You can see before and after we have job log that is showing up, and I scat it, and you can see the content June 20, and this is the regular time right now. So right now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to run the add command at a specific time, okay, and you can see job 2 are showing up, and after that you can see the date, and I'm going to list when we're going to be at 146, and you're going to see that the file have been created again. So I've deleted it, and right now it's showing up because it's already 146. So that's a little bit how you can schedule a job on a specific time, okay. But we're going to see a couple more examples where we are using a mount inside the add command. So I'm going to do another example with month and so on. So month and year. So let's see right now. You can see that my script have been executed normally at 146 when I can cut the file. So I'm going to run another job right now at 2010. You always have to use the military time, okay? The military UTC time 09/25/24 September 25 2024, and FNF means 5, okay, that's /@ sh. So we see job 7 at Wednesday 7/25 at 2010/2024. I'm going to schedule another job on a different date. Okay, Friday October 25. Okay, so right now let's run at queue to see all the jobs that have been scheduled. You see, that's how you can check what jobs you have in your queue through add command. And if I want to delete the job, I'm going to run at rm and the number of job, and that's it. If I'm running at queue again, you see the job number 80 doesn't exist anymore. Awesome.
Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate your presence here, and I would like to invite you once again to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video. We're going to see a lot of awesome skills on DevOps and Linux system administration. So keep an eye and just stay linked to our channel. Bye.